The Danube has been an important waterway throughout the times and also a border between nations. From the source to the mouth, it's got different names in various languages in not less than 10 countries on its banks. Those countries pride themselves with the high merits of its mighty waters and all it gives. One of them is Serbia. Veliko Gradište. This area became significant with the arrival of the Turks. At the beginning of the 18th century, the town is mentioned in Turkish books under the name of İpek. It had 100 Turkish and 70 Serbian households. The town started to develop with the driving out of the Turks. At the time of Miloš Obrenovic's reign, it's got a significant role in the trade. It became a big port where the livestock was exported to other parts of Europe. Veliko Gradište was one of the first towns in Serbia to have its telegraph, post office, steamboat quay, and a customs office. It numbers 6,500 inhabitants. Veliko Gradište is a port for all the foreign ships coming on the Danube from the Black Sea ports heading to Western Europe. The Ram fortress finds its first reference in the times of the Roman Emperor Trajan. It was a settlement where the cavalry units were stationed. The earliest record of the Ram fortress dates back to 1128. A bridge for the transport of dirt near the Romanian town of Moldova. A bridge from nowhere to nowhere. The Golubac fortress is a medieval fort on the right bank of the Danube, 4 kilometers downstream from the present town. Perched on the high cliffs where the river narrows at the very entrance to the Iron Gate, the fortress was built in a fan shape and consists of 3 parts: the front, the back, and the upper town. It's got 10 towers and 2 big gates. Golubac was built in the middle of the 14th century as a border fort between Serbia, Hungary, and Turkey. It was torn down, rebuilt, and extended several times. Golubac had a turbulent past. Many battles were fought in its vicinity throughout the Middle Ages, especially those between the Ottoman Empire and the Kingdom of Hungary. As of 1867, it was granted to the Serbian prince, Mihailo Obrenović.